Welcome viewers to the channel. In today's video, we will explore the how make money online from Google and Google News. There are a few ways to make money online using Google. The most popular is probably AdSense, which is Google's advertising program. You can sign up for AdSense for free and then add a few lines of code to your blog or website. And you'll earn money every time someone clicks on an ad. Another way to make money with Google is through their Google News blog. You can submit articles to the Google News blog, and if they're selected, you'll earn a share of the revenue generated from the ads that are shown alongside your article. Finally, you can also make money by becoming a Google affiliate. This involves promoting Google products on your website or blog and earning a commission on each sale that you generate. So there are a few different ways to make money online using Google. Pick one that best suits your skills and interests and get started today. There are several ways to make money online through Google and Google News. Here are a few methods you can consider. Let's get started step by step. Number 1. Online money with Google. While Google offers various opportunities to make money online, it's important to note that there are no guaranteed methods to get rich quick. Making money online requires effort, consistency, and often a combination of different strategies. Here are 10 legitimate ways to potentially earn money online using Google or Google News. Earning money from Google can be achieved through various channels, including Google AdSense and Google News. Let's delve into each of these avenues and explore how individuals can generate revenue using these platforms. Number 2. Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a popular program that allows website owners and content creators to monetize their online content by displaying relevant advertisements. Here's how you can earn money from Google using AdSense. Sign up for Google AdSense, which allows you to display targeted ads on your website or blog. When visitors click on those ads, you earn a portion of the advertising revenue. You can integrate AdSense into your website or blog and start earning money based on the traffic and engagement you generate. Create a website or blog, sign up for Google AdSense, and display targeted ads on your site. You'll earn money whenever visitors click on those ads. Add website monetization. If you own a website or blog, you can sign up for Google AdSense and integrate ad units into your web pages. When visitors click on these ads or engage with them in other ways, you earn a portion of the revenue generated by those advertisements. Beat YouTube monetization. If you're a content creator on YouTube, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and enable monetization on your videos. This allows you to display ads before, during, or alongside your video content. You earn money based on factors like ad impressions, clicks, and viewer engagement. Create a YouTube channel and produce engaging videos on topics that interest you. By consistently creating valuable content and growing your subscriber base, you can monetize your YouTube channel through Google AdSense, sponsorships, or partnerships. See mobile app monetization. If you have a mobile app, you can integrate Google AdMob, a mobile advertising platform, to display ads within your app. You earn money when users interact with these ads. The other platforms. Google AdSense can also be used to monetize other platforms, such as Blogger, where you can display ads on your blog and earn revenue. Google News. Google News is a news aggregation service that provides personalized news content to users. While Google News itself doesn't directly offer monetization options, it can play a role in driving traffic to your news website or blog, where you can implement revenue-generating strategies. Here's how you can earn money through Google News. If you are a news publisher or run a news website, you can apply to become a Google News publisher. Once approved, your news articles may appear in the Google News feed, reaching a wider audience. Increased traffic to your website can lead to higher ad revenue and other monetization opportunities. At website monetization. Similar to website monetization through AdSense, you can create a news website or blog and display ads using Google AdSense or other advertising networks. By providing engaging and valuable news content, you can attract visitors from Google News and generate revenue through ad clicks or impressions. Be affiliate marketing. Join affiliate marketing programs and promote products or services on your website or blog. You earn a commission for every sale or action generated through your referral. Google News can be a valuable platform to share informative content related to the products or services you are promoting. You can integrate affiliate marketing into your news website or blog. This involves promoting products or services relevant to your news niche and earning a commission for each sale or conversion that occurs through your affiliate links. Join affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Promote products or services on your website or blog and earn a commission for each sale or referral you generate. Key sponsored content and native advertising. As your news website gains popularity, you can collaborate with brands or advertisers to publish sponsored content or native advertisements. This involves creating content that aligns with your news style and integrating promotional elements within it. You earn money through sponsored content fees or revenue sharing agreements. D. Subscriptions and paywalls. If you produce premium news content, you can implement subscription models or paywalls on your website. Users would have to pay a fee to access exclusive or in-depth news articles, allowing you to generate revenue directly from your audience. YouTube Partner Program. Start a YouTube channel, create engaging videos, and monetize your content through ads. Once you meet certain criteria, you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program and earn money from ad revenue. Number 3. Google Opinion Rewards. Download the Google Opinion Rewards app and complete surveys to earn Google Play credits. While it's not direct cash, you can use the credits for various online purchases. Number 4. Google AdMob. If you develop mobile apps or games, you can integrate Google AdMob to display ads within your apps and generate revenue through in-app advertising. Number 5. Google News Publisher. If you run a news website or blog, you can apply to become a Google News Publisher. This can increase your visibility and potentially attract more traffic, leading to revenue through advertising or sponsored content. Number 6. Google Play Developer. Create and publish mobile apps or games on the Google Play Store. You can earn money by selling your apps or including in-app purchases. Number 7. Google Workspace Marketplace. Develop and sell applications or add-ons for Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, users. This can include productivity tools, integrations, or specialized services.